How to post Facebook video with music. This tutorial shows you how to add background music to your video posts on Facebook for your Android device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Tap on Photo or Video to add media. Select the video you want to post from your gallery. Now, tap on the video to open editing options. Look for the music note icon or add music at the top. Tap on Add Music to open Facebook's music library. Moving forward, browse through trending songs or search for a specific track. Type the song name in the search bar to find it quickly. Tap on the song you want to use. You can adjust which part of the song plays by dragging the timeline. Tap Done to add the music to your video. Afterwards, preview your video to make sure the music sounds good. Add a caption if you want and choose your audience. Tap Post at the top right to publish your video with music. Your Facebook video with background music is now live. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you post Facebook video with music, give it a like. Subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.